Hello, lovelies. How are you doing? Happy New Year. So I decided to just drop a little voice note on this tutorial because this year I'm going to be posting some tutorials that I'm not going to be speaking, just a little bit of sound and a little bit of you're just going to follow what you see on the screen basically. So there are few tutorials like that. I'll be dropping in one or two videos a month, or it depends on the mood. Okay, so I found this beautiful style explanation. So it's this neckline, two neckline, and it's easy. You can just make them without drafting or thinking of too much stress. Just something you do for your top. Maybe you're making a top, a dress for a client. Is very easy and simple to do. It's like a sweetheart neckline. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Sweetheart neckline and also a boat neckline. Very easy. So come along, guys. Let's begin. I'm not speaking, so you're going to watch the video and let me know on the comment section what you think about these tutorials. Then I think next week, yeah, hopefully I'm going to drop a video on a two-piece that I'm making, and I will also want you to let me know what you think. For the two-piece, I'll be speaking, explaining the style explanation. Why for this, I won't be saying anything. So come along, guys. Let's begin. Bye, and I wish you a happy New Year and a prosperous New Year. Bye bye.
So she gathered up her confidence, decided to go out on her own. She meant to peak of her confidence, but all you cared about was would she submit, drop everything and give her all to you. Well, what about what the girls want? What about self-destiny? Shouldn't even be an argument. Consider what's best for me. What about what the girls want? What about self-destiny? Shouldn't even be an argument. Consider what's best for me. What's best for me?